Hello everyone and welcome to Grammar Level 1 Exercise 4. Let's start off today like we always do. Put the date, the month, the day, and the year. The word grammar, Level 1, Exercise 4. I have 3 sentences today like I do for each of these exercises. So let me scroll those down so you can see what they are. Alright, and then I have 3 tricks that I'd like to share with you today, so go ahead and pause the video, get these 3 sentences down. Once you have them down, hit play again, and I will show you the 3 tricks that we will try to keep in mind as we solve these. Alright, so you should have these 3 written down. I am going to scroll down here to some of the tips that we'll be looking at today. Alright, so our focus today is going to be on adjectives. Let's go back to the top. If you don't have that done, just hit pause here, let people copy it down. Alright, so back at the top here, I'm going to go pretty quickly here, so you can always pause the video for more explanation from your teacher. But here we go. I'm looking for a, an, and the first. I have 2 of them. I'm putting down adjective, and I'm putting down adjective. Don't even need to read the sentence yet. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Now, I want to look for verbs are easy for me if they're action verbs. Jumped. I like that one. And then nouns, especially concrete nouns. The quick brown fox, that's a noun. Jumped over the lazy dog, that's a noun. Alright, so I have 2 nouns here, I have adjectives. This can solve everything right here. If I know that this is an adjective, it has to modify a noun. The quick brown fox, got it. The what? The dog, got it. Just verified my noun answers. Okay, now let's see here. Lazy is also modifying dog, so that's an adjective. Brown is telling me what type of fox, that's an adjective. And quick what? Quick fox, that's an adjective. I got this one word left, over. It's showing a relationship between the jumping and the dog. I could have said around, under, beneath, near. This is a preposition, a word that shows a relationship between 2 other words in a sentence. Let's go down to the second sentence here. I'll scroll when I'm done with this one. His tired but loyal soldiers crept silently behind 20 enemy guards. First, I want to look for a, an, and the. There aren't any. Now I want to look for easy verbs. That looks like an action verb. I don't see any others that jump out at me. I also want to look for easy concrete nouns. His tired soldiers, that's a plural concrete noun. Guards, those are also nouns. Okay, so do I have any words? Let's work our way out. Do I have any words that describe how they crept? Silently crept, that looks like it would be an adverb, and looky there, it's got an ly, so that is enough evidence for me. Alright, now let's see, nothing else describes crept behind enemy line, 20 enemy guards. Sounds like it, we'll come back to that. Tired, oh look at this, loyal soldiers, that's an adjective. Tired, that's an adjective. This word right here is combining the both, it's one of the 7, and but, or, nor, for, so, yet. It's enough evidence for me to call this a conjunction. His, that looks like a pronoun. Except it sounds like his what? His soldiers. This is not a pronoun, this is an adjective. It's a possessive adjective instead of a possessive pronoun. Crept behind 20 enemy guards. 20 enemy guards. Enemy looks like a noun, but it's describing the type of guard. So I'm thinking this is an adjective. Enemy what? Enemy guards. 20 looks like a 20 what? 20 guards. This one works too as an adjective. Behind. Alright, so here we go. We got behind. This is showing a relationship between how they crept and the guards. This is a preposition, just as over was a preposition in the sentence before. I'm going to scroll down. I'll leave that second one at the top, and let's look at the third one. He disliked his blue house because red is his favorite color. A, an, or the. I don't have any of the articles, no free answers. He disliked his blue color. This sounds like an action to me. I'm going to put that down. Disliked his blue house. House is a noun. That one's easy. Red is his favorite color. This is his favorite thing. I think this is a noun. It would be an abstract noun. All right. Now, I have a noun here. Any words describing this noun? Blue. Blue house. This is an adjective. Anything else describing which house or what it was like? His house. His looks like a pronoun, but in this case as well, it's acting like an adjective. Alright, now I've got disliked his blue house. I have this whole predicate here. Who is doing this? He is doing this. This is the subject of my sentence. It's either a noun or a pronoun. and in this case it's a noun. I could say Tom, that would be a noun. Or in this case it's a pronoun, I could say Tom, that would be a noun. Because red is his favorite color. Because red is his favorite. Okay, so red here looks like an adjective. Red what? It's not modifying color. Red, it's not modifying anything. Oh, this is the thing I'm talking about. Red is a noun here. His what? His color. This is an adjective. Favorite what? Favorite color. This is also an adjective. All right, now is his, oh, I could put down here red equals his favorite color, which would make this a linking verb. Let me see if this can happen. If this is a verb and this is a verb, I'm going to have either a comma in the sentence, which I don't have, or I'm going to have a conjunction joining them together. And, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. This is not one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions, but it is a subordinating conjunction. We'll talk about subordinating conjunctions more in level 4, or sorry, in level 2. Those are the answers for the 3 sentences. We'll go back up. Pause it here if people need to continue putting down the answers. Okay, and now I'll scroll to the bottom as well. And you can pause it here if people need to continue putting down the tricks and tips of the day. All right, I'll see you at exercise 5.